Lovers, I welcome you to my channel. This is TechwithBunmi and thank you for watching my videos. In today's video, I'm going to be giving us side hustles. It's very secret side hustles. You might be doubting that, oh, is this going to make me what I want? And guess what? This video is for ladies, okay? So all ladies in the house, say I. Just say I in the comment section, okay? So if you're a woman and you want to make money with these side hustles I'm going to tell you about shortly, then stick to this video, watch to the end, and if you have any questions whatsoever regarding this, do not hesitate to drop your questions in the comment section, okay? And all you need to do with these side hustles I'm going to be telling us shortly is you only need your phone. And if you have a laptop, it's an advantage for you, but it's just optionals for the laptop, okay? But you can actually use just your phone for it, okay? And guess what? This side also actually is not only for the ladies. Men can take advantage of it too, but it actually benefits the ladies the most. So if you are a 9 to 5 person and you're looking for a side hustle, easy side hustle to make money, okay? Keep watching this video, and without any further ado, let's dive straight to the main tutorials for today. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share this video as you watch it. Watch till the end. I give us tips on how to make money online legitimately, okay? So let's dive straight to the main. Another amazing stuff about this side hustle I'm about to tell you is that you don't need money to start. You don't need any experience. Even if you have zero experience, you can actually start it, okay? And guess what? You can do it as a part-time, you can do it as a full-time, and you don't need any degree whatsoever to start, okay? So the side hustle I'm going to be talking about is UGC. What is
I thought this whole UGC thing was fake until I made $8,000 last week alone. I was scrolling through TikTok one day like most of us, and this thing came up about UGC and this girl making like $10,000 in a month from UGC. So I'm like, what is UGC and how the hell do I get into this? Not even realizing that I was already offering companies UGC because I was an influencer. The thing is, with UGC, you don't have to be an influencer to make money. You don't have to post anything on your platform. Crazy. So I was like, let me make a separate portfolio and do this UGC thing like on its own away from my influencer status and see if this is something I can actually make money in. Because there's so many people online talking about making money and it's just so much more work than what they make it seem to be. So I made my portfolio, went through all the steps. I even made a free mom guide. Click the link in my bio if you want to check it out. And guys, I was mind blown.
I make anywhere from about $12,000 to $15,000 a month doing UGC. So that is a great question, and I will tell you how. I literally can't make this any easier for you. Sign up for influencer agencies. Most of them don't require that you have a certain number of followers to sign up, and you're gonna get guaranteed work from brands as well as free stuff. I put all of the clickable apply links next to each agency on the guide. It's called the Influencer Marketplace Guide, and it also tells what each agency does. So like what they specialize and who they take. Some of them only take women. So go get it, and make sure you're following me. I put up more stuff like that and help you guys make money.
This means user-generated content, okay? To become a user-generated content, it's very easy and unique, okay? And I want you to know that there's a difference between a UGC content creator and an influencer, okay? People make that mistake a lot. An influencer is somebody that you have a follower, you have a particular followers, and a brand reach out to you, you give the brand a particular amount, and you do a video for the brand, okay? And you can actually post it on your social media post it on your social media on your social media platform. But with UGC, you create content, you create video reviews. You don't even need to show your face. If you want to show your face, it's an advantage. But if you don't want to show your face, you can still do it. That means even if I'm an introvert, yes, you can do this. You can do this business. You can do this side also. Okay. So I'm going to be in other videos. I'm going to be breaking it down for us. So please subscribe and share out this video. Somebody will need it. Okay. So first and foremost, to become a UGC content creator, you set your house. You look around your house. Any products you see, like for example, you can come. You talk about makeup, a lipstick. You review this lipstick. You can review this a concealer. Okay, this is a concealer, and this is another this eyeshadow. okay, eyeshadow, and this is eyebrow contour. Okay, so any product, and it can be beauty product, it can be bathroom product, it can be supply product, any of these products that you see around your house, you just take it and you do a review on it. Okay, that review you're doing on it, you're not going to post it on your social media, you're not going to post it on any of your handles, okay, your social media handles. You're going to use all these reviews that you did, you're going to use it to create a profile, and that is how we are going to be using it to sell ourselves to brands. Okay, I will be talking more on that on my later videos. Okay, so subscribe to this channel. So when you create all these products or you do a video review, it can be a faceless review. You can show your face, and to show your face, it's going to give you, obviously it's going to give you more visibility. But if you don't want to show your face, you can also do a faceless review. Okay, and this particular review, when you see it, you message the brand, you send an email to the brand, okay? And because most people, they don't know how to do, they don't know how to do video content, they don't know how to handle video content, right? So this brand, they reach out to UGC content creator, you review, you sell it to this brand, and there's a particular price that you're going to attach to this brand. Okay, so when they like your UGC, when they like your products or they like your review, and you pitch you pitch an email to them, including your portfolio, okay, which is called your media kit. Okay, you send it to them. When they look at it and the reviews that you've already done and you put in your portfolio, they would approve it and they will get back to you. They negotiate with you, or even if you put the price in your portfolio, then they will buy the advert and they will use that your review, they will use it to, they will put it on their own post. They're going to put it on their social media. They're going to, because they're going to put it on the social media. They can use it as a sponsored ad and all that. And before you know it, you'll start getting other brands contacting you. You can make close to $2,000 in a month or more than that in a month if you follow these procedures that I'm giving you properly. Okay. So are you thinking, okay, how can I start? What should I do? What are the procedures? How should I go about all this that I'm talking about? Okay, then my number one tip is that you have to create a TikTok account. Okay, even if you don't like TikTok, you will need TikTok to create this account. Okay, when you create that TikTok account, when you are creating your profile, put UGC content creator in front of your profile. Okay, and you use that hashtag, then you start giving values on UGC content creators. You can go to TikTok and see similar videos that I'm talking about. You look at similar videos and you start, before you know it, you will notice that brands will start contacting you for you to do a video for them. And some of this brand, they can give you their brand, they can give it for they can give it to you for free. Most of them are always free, and they're still going to pay you for doing that video. But the only disadvantage there is that you're not going to post it on your social media handle, because you are selling your review as an advert to another brand. Okay, did you get it? Let me know if it's actually making sense to us. So create your TikTok account. The next step is that you're going to look at what other content UGC creators are doing. Okay, and you follow them, you look at what they're doing, and you create a profile for yourself. Okay, when you create a portfolio. When you create a portfolio for yourself, that portfolio is what you're going to use to write, to pitch to the brand. Okay, that, oh, I made I that for example, this lipstick, I made a review on this lipstick. I can send the video to the brand of this lipstick, and if they like the advert, they will buy my review, and I will get paid. You can charge As a beginner, you can charge as low as $200 for one video. So if you are doing like 4 videos for this same brand, how much are you going to get? Okay, don't worry, we're going to get into that when we are dealing with our portfolio, when we are creating our portfolio. Okay, so this is the ways you're going to this is the ways you're going to make money as a mom. And I'm doing it as a part-time. So I just started it myself, and I said I should bring it out to you to see it. And I've really studied how to become a UGC content creator. Okay. And I've decided to bring it to us, and I'm going to be breaking it down in the next videos, in other videos. There are a lot you need to know about these UGC content creators. Okay. And I'm going to be breaking it down to us. Okay. So I hope this video actually makes sense to us. Let me know if you like something like this, so that I can continue giving us videos on how to make money on UGC. I will be mixing it with others of my videos, but know that it has a step. It has You have to know a lot so that you don't make mistakes. Okay, I'm going to be giving us how to pitch to brands. I'm going to be giving us how to write a portfolio using a free tools, Canva. You can actually create your portfolio with Canva. So is this what you are interested in? You want to make money with this side hustle? Then subscribe, send this video to somebody. Okay, somebody is going to actually like this video. Okay, thank you. In addition to all I've been saying, you can also create a gig on Fiverr. Okay, I'm going to be putting a link in the description box for those of us that want to use Fiverr. Okay, use that link to create your free account on Fiverr, and you become a UGC content creator. You sell yourself. Okay, try to sell yourself and post it on Fiverr. And doing that, you're going to get customers, you're going to get clients also, because a lot of people, a lot of content creators, a lot of brands, they need people to do a video for them. And you don't even need any followers. You can start with 0 followers, because all these brands, they don't want to be using all these influencers again, because influencers, they charge a lot of money. So they prefer to to patronize or to go to a small content creator, which is a UGC content creator, to help them create a video for their brand. Okay, and this is how you're going to be making your money as a mom. Okay, and if you're a man and you're watching this, you can also try it. But it's more beneficiary, it's more useful for women. Okay, but if you're a man and you're watching this video, do not get discouraged. You can also try your luck by showing some men stuff, reviewing them, and submitting your proposal. Okay. I hope this video actually makes sense to us, and I hope you got some values from this video. Do not forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share out this video, and also leave a nice comment in the comment section. Let me know if you're going to start this as a side hustle, or are you going to do it as a full-time or a part-time. Remember, you can watch this video and go sleep and say, oh, you're not going to do anything, but the money is not going to come. Every business has a beginning and always has an end. There's no quick to get rich. Okay, everything has a procedure. So you have to have a positive mind. You have to say you want to start. You have to have the mindset to say, oh, let me start this side hustle. No matter what your conscience is saying, that, oh, is it going to work for me? Do you think, am I going to like this? Just start it. Okay, even if I've said jargons in this video, okay, this just start and become a UGC content creator. And I believe you're still going to come back to me and you say thank you. Okay, I'm not a motivational speaker, but I just need us to encourage us. We need to step out of our comfort zone to make this extra income for ourselves. If you love good life, if you love good things, if you love to spend money, okay, then you will need to start now. Do not give up. Do not procrastinate. Okay, we've come to the end of this video. See you in my next video. Bye for now. And please do not forget to check my description box for some other ways you can get in touch with me, some other ways you can support me by supporting my other businesses. Okay, thank you and stay blessed. Bye for now.